ABCETC, Learning Made Easy. Module 3. Order and compare numbers 1 to 10. By the end of this session, you will be able to order numbers 1 to 10, compare numbers 1 to 10. Learning to order and compare numbers is the first step to learning other aspects of maths. Ordering numbers. Counting the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is ordering the numbers from the least to the largest. To compare numbers, we decide which of the numbers is greater than or less than the other one. The less than sign and the greater than sign look like a V on its side. Time for quiz. The link to download the quiz is in the description box below. Compare these numbers 10 and 9. Ten. 9. 10 is greater than 9. Compare these numbers 8 and 7. 8 7 8 is greater than 7. Compare these numbers 4 and 5. 4, 5, 4 is less than 5. Compare these numbers, 2 and 3. 2, 3, 2 is less than 3. End of Module 3. You are now able to order numbers 1 to 10. Compare numbers 1 to 10. This is the end of this session. Next session, add and subtract single-digit numbers up to 10. A, B, C, etc. Learning made easy.